The ORBCOMM CT1000 solution provides visibility and traceability for assets within your fleet. It allows you to track the location and status of your assets at every point in the journey with real-time and historical reporting, whether in the yard or on the road. It helps you estimate arrival times, identify issues, and quickly deploy corrective measures to mitigate delays in the supply chain. In this video, you will learn how to install the ORBCOMM CT1000 tracking device on a single wall trailer. For this installation, you'll need the CT1000 unit and the installation kit that includes an alcohol wipe, a scour pad, a 5mm drill bit, and rivets. You'll also need a cordless drill, a cordless rivet gun, a marker, a ladder that can reach the top of the trailer, and a mobile phone with the ORBCOMM Field Support Tool app installed. If you don't have the ORBCOMM Field Support Tool app, contact your administrator or download it from the Play Store or the App Store on your mobile device. A couple of pro tips for this installation are: first, if your trailer is dirtier than the included alcohol wipe will clean effectively, you can use alcohol spray and a towel to prepare the installation surface. Also, spraying dry graphite on the drill bit tends to make drilling smoother and extend the life of the bit. To begin the installation process, log into the ORBCOMM Field Support app on your mobile device. Tap CT1000. Scan the QR code on the front of the CT1000 device. Tap the asset name and take a picture of the asset name, which is usually the trailer number. The app will attempt to read the asset ID from the picture, but if it's unable to do so, manually type the trailer number in to the asset name field. Once the asset name and the CT1000 device serial number are entered, tap Pair. When the pairing is complete, the Field Support Tool will show that the pairing was successful. You can now install the CT1000 on the trailer. Install the CT1000 as high as possible and close to the center line of the trailer. Do not cover up any printing or decals on the trailer. Prepare the surface by cleaning the surface with either the included alcohol pad or with alcohol spray and a towel. Hold the CT1000 up to the trailer and mark the mounting location with the marker. Use the scour pad to rough up the mounting surface where the CT1000 adhesive pads will go. Clean the area one more time to remove any additional debris. Expose the adhesive pads on the CT1000 and press it firmly onto the trailer for at least 15 seconds. Using the CT1000 as a guide, drill holes through the trailer using the included drill bit. Use 2 rivets to secure the CT1000 to the trailer. Remove any tools or other materials and the CT1000 installation is complete. Thanks for watching this tutorial on how to install the ORBCOMM CT1000 solution.